How's your mom doing in senior living? How's your dad doing living alone in his own home? Well, don't worry. Penrose will let you know. You see, that's what we do. We personally visit seniors wherever they live, conduct a thorough assessment using our proprietary technology, and then report back to our clients, which are generally their adult children. Hi, my name is Rhonda Harper, and I'm the founder, CEO, and owner of Penrose Senior Care Auditors, where we conduct Penrose check-ins. I founded the company because I witnessed the poor level of care my father received in assisted living. And I quickly learned that if I wasn't there on a regular and frequent basis, things just didn't get done. Laundry service, cleaning, diaper change, etc. Today we offer 2 services. Our primary is Penrose Care Check. We also have Penrose Pre-Check. The Penrose Care Check covers 150 items across 7 factors: cleanliness, clutter, safety, maintenance, supplies, caregiver observations. Our business model is simple. Families hire us. It's month-to-month subscription, sign up, cancel anytime. We also offer the service for performance metrics for senior living and also vendor and affiliate advertising. Our backbone are our auditors. They tend to be on-core employees, early retirees who want meaningful, purposeful work. We're located across the country, nationwide. We've got about 60 auditors in place today. When the auditor goes to the home and they look at their app, it's a complete workflow management system tool for them. So they conduct their audit on there in a tap and click way, but it also manages all of their seniors and their profiles. Our strategy is simple. It's direct to consumer. Carolyn McCormick, you may remember her from Law & Order. She's now on Madam Secretary, is our spokesperson and our face. We also partner with the leaders in the industry for lead generation and client referral. Our 5-city pilot last year did exceptionally well, bringing in a gross margin of 72%. Our leadership brings 150 years of Fortune 500 and entrepreneurial experience. We are all serial, successful entrepreneurs. Myself, I was the Chief Marketing Officer of Walmart Sam's Club. I was also the head of global marketing and communications for UPS, all business lines worldwide. Ryan won the coveted Facebook award. He's our CTO. He's here today. And then you can see the rest of the group. Thank you very much. Again, we're there for you.
Great. Thanks a lot. So is Law and Order, so like Law and Order's a show where it goes boom, boom, right? So is that what happens when they go into the place that doesn't look so good?
We're bringing Law and Order to senior living.
I love that idea. Do you folks have, go ahead, Amanda.
Yeah, you just mentioned proprietary technology. You glossed over it a little quickly. Can you just go in a little bit more depth in that? Is it IP protected? What exactly does it entail?
It is IP protected. We built it in-house. Ryan can take anybody through the technology at any point in time. But fundamentally what it is there's 3 interfaces. There's the client interface, there's the auditor interface, and then there's the administrative interface. It tech enables the entire business model from client onboarding all the way through to auditor onboarding. The audits itself, it takes the tap and click input of the auditor. They simply answer a series of questions. They can upload images and media to support their findings. And it automatically translates all of that into a scorecard and narrative so that all of the language that the client receives has been pre-written and pre-authorized through legal.
Can you describe a little bit what happens after the report back to the family? So let's
Sure.
say some things are uncovered that may need action. Is that action that you take? Is it the responsibility of the family?
We thought long and hard about that when we launched the company. And we decided that we are the first and only tech-enabled nationwide oversight company, period. And the question then became, well, when we find a problem, what do we do? We don't want the fox watching the hen house. We also believe that the family members are in the best place to do what's right for their senior. So we simply report what we find, we substantiate it through media when possible, and we let the clients know what the findings are, along with suggestions, but it's really up to them then to take options.
Thank you.
What's the nature of your relationship with the institutions, the assisted living, nursing homes outside? You know, how do your people present themselves when they show up on site?
Okay, well, let me answer that two different ways. First, when we launched, I actually launched the company at the Assisted Living Federation of America, now called Argentum, 2 years ago, not quite, at their annual convention. While at first, these big corporations were a little tentative, now they see us as an invisible layer of management that they don't have to pay for. The client lets us know how to present ourselves. Some want us to go in as friend of the family, some of them want us going in with big buttons announcing who we are.
Can you talk more about the economics to your clients and then the economics to you? It seems that would be quite expensive to be able to have somebody personally visit, and how much
Dreaded
is the
scale question, I think I just heard the
scale.
word
It's a scale question. Yeah.
Sure. Let me talk about the auditor. The auditor side of the equation, the recruitment of the auditors break even. So they pay $149 for their background check. That pays for the background check and the recruitment of the actual auditor. Okay? The certification program is free to them. On the other hand, the family pays us, it's a sliding scale. If they want us to go in, it's a month-to-month service. One time a month would be $99. Sliding down to 4 times or more per month is $75 per check-in. So it comes in right about 5% of the average assisted living fees for the month. We call it an affordable assurance policy. And our clients do sometimes share that with their siblings, because all the siblings or family members can get the report at the same time. They just have to give us the email. In terms of our costs, our auditors are paid $25 per check-in. Takes about 30 minutes. If they bring their own client, and they're not assigned a client through us, they make $50 per audit. We pass that marketing savings on to them.
You get the same auditor as a family consistently, or is it round-robin staffing?
Good question. Our auditors tell us what geographies they'll serve by zip code. They'll tell us what places they'll go to, private residence, senior living, or both. They tell us how many audits they will conduct or check-ins they will conduct on a weekly basis over the course of the next month. When a client comes in, they on board, they tell us where the zip code is of their senior. They tell us what kind of living condition that they're in. They tell us how many audits that they want for the month. And then the system automatically floats that inventory allotment, if you will, of all of the auditors in their area that are available. And they get to select which one they want. They have the same auditor moving forward unless they choose to change it next month.
Great, thank you so much.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.